For a wood certified device, our customers are mainly focusing on AI and robotics. And here we are showing an interesting demo based on an Ubuntu certified platform, which is Apex Stream i11. And the demo is showing a robot based on ROS2, thanks to the fully supported platform on the Ubuntu operating system. And of course also AI, thanks to the support that Ubuntu provides for Intel-enabled AI solution with OpenVINO. What our customers are looking for is a ready solution for their production environment. So when you want to bring to production a system, you need something reliable, that it's easy to update, it's easy to manage. And Ubuntu Core is the ideal solution for that, thanks to the Snap Update package management system, the support for containers, and the very small sites, and also real-time kernels that's available for that.